Hello, everyone. So recently, I've been getting asked a lot of questions on people who'd like to host some of these large language models locally, but they don't have a GPU or they have a really small computer. Are there any options for them? And the answer is yes. One of those available options is known as Groq, Groq, not to be confused with Grok, that's the Twitter large language model. So the way that it works is that Groq is going to be hosting some of these really large language models in the cloud somewhere, and they will be providing access to those large language models through the use of an API. So all we would have to do is to set up an account on groqcloud.com, and we just simply copy that key and paste it into OpenWebUI. It's really simple. I'm going to show you how easy it is. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that you'll have to do is just to sign in to Groq Cloud. Once you do that, you'll be provided with this interface. Now here you can see that we have all of these different models available. And it's not just the base models. So here we have the LLaMA 3 with 70 billion parameters. Now, the maximum that I can host using my NVIDIA 4090 GPU is the LLaMA 34 bill parameter. When I try to host something like the 70 bill parameter model, my computer just crashes. So this is an advanced model even for my computer rig. So here, obviously, we can try to use this model. We can ask it to write a 200-word essay on the Roman Empire, and you can see how quick it is to give a response. The inference time is 888 milliseconds, with tokens per second being 311. So this is a really fast model and a really fast inference time. Now, under documentation, you can see all of the different models that are available using this API. We also see here the different speech models, the vision models. The thing that I really want to look at is API keys. So when you sign in or when you sign up the first time, what you'll have to do is just create an API key. Once you create the key, you will simply just copy and paste that somewhere. Now, the reason why we want to do that is because then we'll use that API key and paste it into OpenWebUI. So the way that it's going to look like is here I'm on my OpenWebUI interface. And within this interface, I'm going to go over to my admin panel. Under my admin panel, I'm going to go to settings and then click on connections. Now the OpenAI API that I'm going to select is this. Now you can see that it's referencing the Groq API. So I'm simply just going to copy and paste this. I'm going to share the link of, I'm going to share this exact link in the description. The API key that you had created, all you would do is you would paste that in this window here. And you can verify the connection. And if it shows that server connection is verified, that's pretty much it. Here, I can see that all of these different models have shown up, like the LLaMA 3.1 70 bill parameter model. And I can use it now. So explain options trading. And look how fast the inference time is. This is a 70 bill parameter model, and it's still giving me inference that's quicker than any of the OpenAI models. And that's what's so impressive about Groq. So by this point, you're probably wondering, well, what's the catch? Why is Groq offering all of these models for free? Is it through the goodness of their heart? No, it does come at a cost. Now, there is a free version that's available for Groq for which you can use all of these different models, but you're limited to how much you can use them. After that, they goes into a little bit of a more paid tier version and subscription. And I can go into that in more details, or I can just share the link to their pricing in the description below. But it's a very reasonable pricing strategy. And if you wanted to, you could even get away with using the free version. So that's going to be the main catch. Now, that's pretty much it for this video. If you found this video interesting, useful, or insightful, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Or if you have any ideas for future videos or suggestions or things that you'd want me to talk about, then just please leave me a comment and I'll make sure that it gets addressed. If this is your first time on this channel, then please leave a like. And I've also shared the link to this OpenWebUI playlist. So if you click on that, they'll kind of step you through all of the different things that I've been talking about in this video. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.